Looking for the perfect handheld vacuums? Here's what you need to know. The HOTO Handheld car vacuum is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants a gift they'll actually use. Compact yet powerful, the HOTO autocare combines strong suction and air duster functions in one cordless handheld vacuum for effortless car and home cleaning. With its sleek modern design and everyday practicality, it makes a great tech gift for men, women, car owners, and new homeowners. Ideal cool gadget for Father's Day and Mother's Day gifting, as well as birthdays, holidays, and housewarming occasions. Designed to help you important notice. Please don't attach the swim ring nozzle to the air inlet port. Improper installation may result in mechanical obstruction and operational failure. The vacuum auto stop may activate if airflow is blocked. Please clean and replace filters regularly. Great choice if you need no more stubborn dust. Equipped with a 96,000 RPM brushless motor, the HOTO Handheld car vacuum cleaner delivers powerful and sustained 20,000 PA suction, effectively removing stubborn dust and debris from car crevices, desktops, computers. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.